Water is life. It sustains every living organism, shapes our landscapes, and connects all ecosystems on Earth. But have you ever wondered how water moves through our planet in an endless cycle? From the clouds above to the rivers below, water embarks on a continuous journey, falling as rain, collecting in lakes and oceans, and rising once again into the sky. This natural process, known as the water cycle, is essential for all living things. It regulates our climate, replenishes freshwater sources, and supports countless ecosystems. But what happens when this cycle is disrupted? How do human activities like deforestation and pollution alter the delicate balance of water movement? Let's dive into the science behind the water cycle and explore how our actions are reshaping its flow and our future. In a healthy environment, the water cycle works in perfect balance. Heat from the sun warms the Earth's surface, causing water from the oceans, the rivers, and lakes to evaporate, turning it into an invisible vapor. Plants also play a crucial role through transpiration, releasing moisture into the air as part of their natural respiration process. As this water vapor rises and cools, it forms clouds through a process called condensation. Eventually, when the droplets grow heavy enough, they fall back to the earth as precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, or hail. For millions of years, this process has functioned in harmony, keeping our planet's ecosystem balanced. But what happens when human activity disrupts this delicate cycle? How do deforestation, pollution, and climate change affect the movement of water? And what can we do to restore the balance? As we continue our journey, let's explore the impact of human actions on this vital system and how we can protect the future of water on our planet.
Human activities stresses water cycle. And according to Le Chatelier principle, when a system in equilibrium is disturbed, it shifts to restore balance, but not always in the way we expect. Take deforestation for example. Trees plays a crucial role in regulating moisture. When forests are cleared for agriculture or cities, less water is absorbed by plants, increasing surface runoff. This leads to soil erosion, flooding, and reduced groundwater recharge, and eventually causing droughts in nearby areas. Another human activity that affects the water cycle is urbanization. In cities, impermeable surfaces like roads and buildings prevent rain from soaking into the ground. Instead, they rushes into drains, overwhelming rivers, and increasing flood risk. Meanwhile, industrial pollution contaminates water sources, affecting both humans and wildlife.
Water quality doesn't just affect ecosystems, it can also influence our genes. This is where epigenetics comes in. Exposure to polluted water can trigger genetic changes in plants, animals, and even humans, leading to long-term health effects. Studies show that heavy metals and chemicals in water can switch genes on or off, affecting growth, reproduction, and disease resistance in future generations.
Luckily, we have the power to restore balance. Simple actions like planting trees, reducing pollution, and conserving water help protect the natural flow of the water cycle. By understanding how water moves and how we impact it, we can ensure that future generations will always have access to clean and sustainable water sources. The choice is in our hands.